Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math. And today we're talking about congruent triangles and trying to find the corresponding and congruent parts to the triangle. Okay, so here, when you're dealing with congruent polygons in general, if you have two polygons that are congruent, then the corresponding parts will have the exact same measurement. So the angles that are corresponding with the angles in the other polygon are the same measure. And the sides that correspond with the same sides in the other polygon are the same measure, meaning if it's 5 inches, it's 5 inches. If it's 20 degrees, then it's 20 degrees. So um, what we want to be able to do is be able to list all of the corresponding parts and the corresponding angles and sides. So that's what's done here. They give you A, B, and C for triangle A, B, and C. And they've matching um, A with D. Notice how it has one little curved line. And B with E, they have two. And C with F. Also, side AB with side uh, DE, side BC with side EF, and so on. Now, the easiest and quickest way to tell which goes with which is to look straight at the actual expression for the congruent triangles. They're going to be in order. So you have A, it's going to go with D, B with E, C with F, AB with DE, BC with EF, and C with F. Or I should say CA with FD, or AC with DF. Extremely simple. So let's take a look at an example. Okay, here we have a triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STW. And they just tell us it's congruent. So we just need to list all the congruent parts. So if we list the angles, it's going to be P is congruent with S, Q is congruent with T, and R is congruent with W. Okay, now to list the sides, we'll have PQ is congruent with ST, QR is congruent with TW, and RP or PR is congruent with WS or ST. Did I say ST? I'm sorry, SW. Okay, it's pretty simple. Take a look at this one and see if you can get this one correct. On this one, you have um, a whole polygon is quadrilateral, and they tell you this congruent. They want you to identify all the angles and all the sides. Okay, let's take a look at the answer here. All right, the angles are going to be L, E, M, and F, N with G, and P with H. And since it's a polygon, it's got four angles, also four sides. I'm sorry, not a polygon, but a quadrilateral. Okay, our sides are going to be LM with EF, and MN with FG, NP with GH, and then LP with EH. And that's it. That's just matching um, congruent polygons with their corresponding parts. And just keep in mind that they're equal. If L is 90 degrees and E is 90 degrees. Okay. Well, I just want to thank you for checking out A1 Math and have a nice